Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is your mentor Shashank welcoming you all on the Oliveboard platform. Today we will be discussing the live mock which was live on our website on our platform Oliveboard from 9 to 10th November. SSC CGL Tier 2 live mock discussion we are going to do. We are going to see the solutions in detailed manner, right? So let's start the solutions. Let's start the solution of each and every question and let's see what should be the perfect solution for every question. Okay. So we are starting, just give me a moment to set the question on the board so that it can be completely visible to you all, so that it can be properly visible to you all in a proper manner. I hope the question is properly visible to you all. I hope the question is properly visible to you all. Wait for the program. Just give me a second because it got hanged. It got hanged actually. Okay, now we are having the question on our screen and let's see what kind of questions we are having. Let's see what kind of questions we are having on our screen. The first question is from the data sufficiency in which 7 pupils sit in 2 parallel rows A, B, C, D, sit in row 1 facing south. The first row is A, B, C, D and all are facing south. So 4 persons will sit in the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4. PQR sit in row 2, PQR or PQRS, okay, PQR sit in row 2 facing towards north. In row number 2 there will be 3 persons sitting, PQR facing towards north. Each person in row 2 face a person in row 1. One seat is vacant in row 2, one seat is vacant in row 2. So 4 seats will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4 and one vacant seat will be there in the row number 2. The question is who faces D? Let's see. C sits to the third right of D. C sits to the third right of D. It means there will be a gap of 2 persons between C and D, right? C third right of D. It means D 1, 2, 3. So C and D will come at the end. So C 1, 2 and D like this. Is it clear? Then A faces Q. A is facing Q. It means A can come here, then Q can come here. A can come here, then Q can come here. There are possibilities. So who faces D? We cannot get with the help of first statement. With the help of first statement, we cannot get who faces Q. Let's see the, who faces D. Let's see the second number statement. A is immediate right of B, B who faces P. A is immediate right of B, B who faces P. If A is immediate right of B, so it will be made like this. A and B, because they are facing south, and in south the right and left got interchanged as compared to the north. So A is immediate right of B, B who faces P, B is facing who? B is facing P, right? Q and R are not neighbors. Q and R are not neighbors. It means Q and R will not come together. Q and R will not come together. So there will be one seat like this and 2 seats more will be there. Those 2 seats can come over here, right? So in any way those 2 seats can come, and hence we cannot get that who is facing D. We cannot get with the help of statement number 2 that who is facing D. Now what we have to do? Let's combine both the statements now. Now let's combine both the statements. If I am combining both the statements, I can get, this is the first statement. In the second statement, he is saying A sit immediate right of B. So A will come over here, B will come over here like this. A sit immediate right of B and B facing P. B is facing P, so P will come over here like this. Okay. Now Q and R are not the neighbors. Q and R are not the neighbors. It means Q can come in these 2 positions and R can come in these 2 positions. Hence we cannot get who is facing D. Who is facing D we cannot know. We cannot know who is facing D because one person out of Q and R will come over here. One person out of Q and R will come over here, and hence we cannot exactly know who is facing D. The right answer should be are not sufficient. Option number A. The data in both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Let's mark this question and get if we are right or not. Let's mark this question. Okay. Okay. He's saying this is wrong. Okay. I have done wrong. Okay. Why? Let's see. So what is the right answer? Are sufficient. How it can be possible that data in both the statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer the question? Let me solve it once again. C sit third right of D. 7 people sit in 2 parallel row A, B, C, D. Row 1 facing south, and C sit third to the right. Third right means 1, 2, like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Third right of D. Okay, C sit third to the right of D. It means 2% will come between C and D. A faces Q. So these are the 4% and 4 seats will be like this. Okay. A faces Q. We cannot fix A. A is immediate right of B. A is immediate right of B. A will come over here. B will come over here like this. Okay. B who faces P. So B will face P like this. Q and R are not neighbors. Q and R are not neighbors, and we need to answer who faces D. If Q and R are not neighbors, okay, I missed this line. That A faces Q. I missed this line, A faces Q. So Q will come over here, and Q and R are not neighbors, so R will definitely come over here. So D will face R. It was my mistake that I didn't see the line A faces Q. Because A is facing Q, that's why Q will come over here, which I didn't place in the previously. So the right answer is with the help of both the statement. With the help of both the statement, we can get to know that D is facing R. D is facing R. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Second one. Second question on our screen. Like this. We need to solve this one. During the running competition of 7 students, A is faster than C. A is faster than C. J is faster than G. J is faster than G. And slower than Y. J is faster than G but slower than Y. So Y will be faster than J and G. K is slower than C. So K will come after C. But not slower than Y. But K is not slower than Y. So K will be faster than Y. K will be faster than Y. So after K, Y, J, G will come. After K, Y, J and G will come. Okay. L finishes at the 4th position in the competition. L finishes at the 4th position in the competition. Which of the following combination is correct according to the speed of students? So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. L is finishing at the 4th position. 4th position. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So L will come over here. L finishes at the 4th position. Now I need to fix A, C, K, Y. A, C, K, Y, J and G. Like this, the whole arrangement will be made. So let's see which of the following combination is correct according to the speed of student. K is greater than G. J is greater than K. J is not greater than K. 1 is the wrong. G is greater than L. G is greater than L. G is not greater than L. This is also wrong. G is greater than C. No. A is greater than L. Yes, A is greater than L. K is greater than L. Yes, K is greater than L. And K is greater than G. Yes, K is also greater than G. Option number D should be the right one. Option D should be the right one. Let's mark option number D. Let's mark option D. Yes, option D is the right because green light turns blink. Green blinks. Okay. Option D is the right answer. Nityapriya A. Okay. Ramkrishna R faces D. Okay, it was for the previous question and D is the right answer for this one. D is the right answer for this one. Let's move on to the next question. Third one. Third question on our screen. We need to solve this one. We need to solve this question. The second figure in the first pair of the problem figure bears a certain relationship. Okay. So this figure is related to this figure. This figure is related to this figure. So how will this figure will be related to this figure? This is the water image. You can clearly see this is the water image. So water image of this will be formed. This circle is at the left side. Circle will be at the right side. So 4, 3, 1 are wrong. Only 2 is right because this circle is facing downwards. And this circle is towards the upward side. So this is the right one. 2 should be the right one. Let's mark the second one. In which option we can see this second image? In option number A, and hence A is the right because it turns into green. Right? Is it clear to you all? Let's move on to the next question, fourth one. Fourth question on our screen. Let's see what should be the right one. We are having 6 person A, B, C, D, E, F sitting around a circular table. 6 person A, B, C, D, E, F sitting around circular table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 are facing in the same direction, that is inside or outside. One person sit between A and F. Okay. Now, If I am fixing A over here, then F can come here and F can come here as well, because one person is sitting between A and F. B is sitting second to the left of E. B is sitting second left of E. Now let's draw one more possibility. Let's draw one more possibility, because this will confuse us. This will confuse us. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A and F. A and F like this, and A and F like this. All 6 persons are facing in the same direction, either inside or either outside. I am doing by facing them inside. Okay. One person A and F done. B is sitting second left of E. B is sitting second left of E, and A and B are not neighbors. A and B are not neighbors. B second left of E, it means B will be cancelled from both the position adjacent to A. B cannot come over here because B will be second left of A. We need to fix B second left of E. So B will come over here, E will come over here like this. B second left of E. In this case, where will A come? Not adjacent to A. B cannot come here because B will be second left of F. So B will come over here, E will come over here like this. C and D are not neighbors. C and D are not neighbors. So in this case, C and D will come like this together. So this case is wrong because C and D are not neighbors. So C and D will come like this, CD or CD, because it is not fixed where C and where D will come. Which of the following arrangement cannot be possible? Cannot be possible when considered in the clockwise direction from A. When considered in the clockwise direction from A. So from clockwise direction from A, the arrangement will be A, E, C, D, B, F or C, D. Right? Let's see which option is matching. A, C, cannot possible. This is cannot possible. Okay, A, E, D, B, A, E, D, B, F, C, A, E, D, B, F, C. This is possible. A, F, D, B, E, C, A, F. This is not possible. When considering the clockwise direction from A, clockwise direction from A, E, it should start with AE. ADFB, ADFB. This is also not possible. Which of the following sitting arrangement cannot be possible when considered in the clockwise direction from A? Clockwise direction from A like this, A, E, C, D, B, F, C, D. It should be B, I guess. But this is the possible, this is the only possible. How the others are coming wrong? All 6 persons are facing in the same direction. One person sits between A and F. A and F, one person like this and like this. B is sitting second left of E. B is sitting second left of E in both the cases. A and B are not neighbors. A and B are not neighbors. C and D are not neighbors. C and D are not neighbors as well. Which of the following sitting arrangement cannot be possible when considering a clockwise direction from A? What should be the right one for this? What should be the right one for this? B is only possible, but they are asking which of the following cannot be possible. We have assumed them inside. We have assumed them inside. What should we do? We should take them outside. But this is not wrong as well. Let's take them outside. Okay. Let's take them outside. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's take one more possibility, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. One person sit between A and F, A and F either like this, A and F either like this. B is sitting second left of E, B is sitting second left of E, and B are not neighbors. So B will not come over here. B cannot come over here because B will be sitting second left of A. So B will come over here, E will come over here. B is sitting second left of E like this. B will be sitting second left of E like this. If I am facing them outside, if I am facing them outside. Similarly, B will not come in these two positions. B cannot come here because B will be second left of F. So B will come here, E will come here. B will be second left of E. A and B are not neighbors. C and D are not neighbors. So these two positions of C and D will be cancelled. Only these two positions will be remaining, C and D. Which of the following arrangement cannot be possible when considering the clockwise direction from A? So when considering from the clockwise direction from A cannot be possible. Cannot be possible. A, C, F, B, D, E. Now A, C, F, B, D, E. This is possible. A, C, F, B, D, E. When turning in the clockwise direction. When turning in the clockwise direction, this is possible. A, E, D, B, F, C. A, E, D. This is not possible now. A, F, D. This is not possible now. In the clockwise direction, A, F, D. A, D, F. A, D, F. B, C, E. This is also possible. Now what about why these two are creating problem? I am not getting this one. What's wrong in this question? C is not possible. How C is not possible now? When considered in the clockwise direction from A. Considering inside and outside, considering inside and outside both. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Let's draw it from the inside as well one more time. Only one person is sitting between A and F. One person is sitting between A and F. So AF or AF. In both the position, AF can come if we are facing inside. This was according to the outside, and let's make it according to the inside. B is sitting second left of E. B is sitting second left of E, and B is not the neighbor of A, right? B is sitting second left of E. So if I'm fixing E over here, so B cannot come, right? If I'm fixing E over here, B can come. B cannot come in place of A. And if I'm fixing E over here, B can come over there. A and B are not neighbors. C and D are not neighbors. This is quite messy now. This is quite messy for me now. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. A and F. One person sitting between A and F. B second to the left of E. B is not the neighbor of A. So B second left of E. It means B will come here. E will come here. In this case, B second left of E. B will come here. E will come here, like this. C and D are not neighbors. C and D are not neighbors. So this case will be wrong. And CD will come over here like this. So according to the inside and outside, let's see which of the following arrangement cannot be possible. Which of the following arrangement cannot be possible when considering the clockwise direction from A. So from clockwise direction from A, we will get in the outside A, CD, F, B, CD, E. and in this case in the clockwise direction we will get A, E, C, D, B, F, C, D, like this. Okay, A, C, F, B, D, E, A, C, F, B, D, E, A, C, F, B, D, E, this is possible. A, E, D, B, F, C, A, E, D, B, F, C, this is possible. A, F, D, B, E, C, A, F, D, okay, this is not possible. A, D, F, B, C, E, A, D, F, B, this is also possible. So we have to take both the cases simultaneously, of the outside as well as of the inside. We have to take both these things. So now option number C should be the right one. Option C should be the right one, that is C. Okay, C is the right answer. What happened? Yes, C is the right answer. Next, fifth question on our screen. Fifth question on our screen. Yes, Nitha Priya, bilkul, exactly, you are right. How many meaningful four letters, how many meaningful four letter English word can be formed using the second, sixth, seventh and eighth? So second is P, sixth is I, seventh is N, eighth is G. So we can make one word ping. Can we make another word? No, we cannot make. Only one word will be formed, that is ping. Option number C. Option C should be the right, that is 1. Okay. Next, sixth question. Sixth question on our screen. Sixth question on our screen. Sixth question on our screen. Okay, Ram Krishna, thank you so much for your patience, for understanding it patiently. While introducing Rohan, Jagesh said, there is a person named Jagesh and he is introducing the person Rohan. I am the husband. I am the husband means Jagesh is talking about himself, that Jagesh is the husband. If he is the husband, there will be one wife of this Jagesh, which is denoted by minus, and Jagesh is male, which is denoted by plus. Jagesh said, I am the husband of Rohan's wife's father's daughter. Rohan's wife. Rohan's wife means Rohan will be male and her wife will be female. Rohan's wife, father. Rohan's wife, father's daughter. Daughter means this, not this daughter, because this daughter cannot have two husbands, Rohan and Jagesh, both are the different. So this person will have two daughters and the second daughter will be this one, and this second daughter will be married to Jagesh. This second daughter will be married to Jagesh, right? Now, how Rohan's son is related to Jagesh. If Rohan's son is there, then Rohan's son will be the nephew of Jagesh, will be the nephew. Nephew means option number D. It should be matched with option number D. Option number D. Let's mark option number D. Let's mark option number D. Yes, nephew is the right because green blinks. If green comes, it means we have done the right answer. Nephew is the right. Seventh question. Seventh question on our screen. We are having this question. Let's see what should be the right answer for this one. Question is of course and action. Question is from the course of action, critical reasoning section. Night shift Indian employees, mainly those who are working from home in foreign companies. Those Indian employees who are working in the night shift from the foreign companies are experiencing higher rate of depression, anxiety, mood disorders. This may be due to lower serotonin levels, which are associated with mental health condition. Okay, so what course of action should be taken? Let's see. The government should ban such foreign companies that require night working shift. If a government is doing such kind of action, in course of action, always remember one thing: we are not supposed to take the extreme decision which may not favor anyone's side. So if you are banning such companies, it will definitely not will be in the favor of foreign companies, and secondly it will create a lot of unemployment. So we cannot take such kind of course of action, and first is the wrong one. Second, foreign companies should pay more incentives to such employees working night shift. If we are paying more incentives to the employees working in the night shift, will it change anything? Will it improve their mood disorders, anxiety, rate of depression? Depression is something else, anxiety is something else. They are facing such kind of problems because they are working the night shift kind of things, right? So instead of paying incentives, they should come with some other solutions. This is not the right solution. This is not the right course of action. According to me, neither one nor two should be followed. Neither one nor two. Okay, Let's mark option A. Neither 1 nor 2 is the right answer. Neither 1 nor 2 is the right answer, option number A. Next, 8th question. 8th question on our screen, again from the critical reasoning. Again from the critical reasoning. Situation is due to excessive mining and deforestation. Due to excessive mining and deforestation, country Z is experiencing a rapid depletion of its natural resources, leading to long-term environmental damage. It means country Z is experiencing a rapid depletion of its natural resources. Why they are experiencing this thing? Because they are doing excessive mining and deforestation part. They are doing excessive mining up to no extent and deforestation. That's why they are experiencing a depletion of its natural resources, leading to the long-term environmental damage. What conclusion we can make? Environmental damage in country Z is directly linked to unsustainable resource extraction practices. Yes, this is the right conclusion we can extract, because they are extracting the resources. They are extracting the they are practicing what they are practicing. They are practicing unsustainable resource extraction, which is mentioned over here. Which is mentioned over here like this, due to excessive mining and deforestation, right? So this conclusion is true. Second one, the government of country is not enforcing strict environmental regulation. The government of country is allowing, that's why this is happening, right? This is why, that's why this is happening. So this conclusion is not right. This conclusion is not right. Okay, so it means option number 1 should be the right conclusion 1. Only conclusion 1 can be concluded, option number B. Let's mark B1. Yes, B is the right answer. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay. Next. 9th question. 9th question on our screen from the coded blood relation. 9th question on our screen from the coded blood relation. Let's see. If we consider O1Q5 this expression, which of the following statement is not correct? We need to find not correct one. Okay. O1. 1 means what? 1 means D is the husband of E. So O will be the husband of Q. O will be the husband of Q. So Q will be the female. 5. 5 means mother. So Q will be the mother of R. Q will be the mother of R, like this. R6P. 6 means brother. So R is the brother of P. R is the brother of P. 2. 2 means wife. So P is the wife of M. P is the wife of M. 3. 3 means father. M is the father of N. M is the father of N, like this. So we need to find which of the following statement is not correct. Which is not correct. Okay. O is the grandfather of N. This is true, because O is the grandfather of N. This is true. This is true. N is the nephew of R. N is not the nephew of R, because we are not given the gender of N. N can be male or female. This is not correct. R is the uncle of N. R is the uncle of N. We can see maternal uncle. And M is the son-in-law. M is the definitely son-in-law of O. So the right answer should be option number B. Option number B should be the right. Let's mark B option. N is the nephew of R. B is the right one. B is the right one. Okay. Next question. 10th. 10th question on our screen. Let's see what should be the right one. Each of the digits in the number 458201396 is arranged in the descending order from left to right. How many digits will remain unchanged as compared to that in the original number? Okay. So let's see. The digits are given from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 0 to 9 digits are given. So we have to arrange them in the descending order. So let's see. 9, 8, 7, all are changed. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 3 is unchanged. 3, 2, 1, 0. Only 1 is unchanged, that is 3. That is 3. So the right answer should be option number B. Right answer should be option number B. Option number D. Option number D, because 1 digit is unchanged. 1 digit is unchanged, that is option number D. Option number D, that is 1 digit is unchanged. The digit is 3. The digit is 3, but the answer is 1, because only 1 digit is unchanged. Because only 1 digit is unchanged. Okay. Let's see the 11th question. 11th question on our screen. 3 is related to 64. Okay. 9 is related to 196. Okay. 7 related to 121. And 11 related to 256. This 64 is 4 cube and 8 square. If I am adding 1 in 3, I can get 64. That is 3 square, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 cube, 64. But the same logic will not be applied in any other number. Same logic will not be applied in any other number because all are the squares. This is the square of 14, this is the square of 11, and this is the square of 16, right? So we need to apply the square logic. So 64 is 8 square. So adding plus 5 in 3, we can get 8. Adding plus 5 in 9, we can get 14. Adding plus 5 in 7, we should get 12. And 12 square is 144, not 121. So C should be the right answer. Similarly, 11 plus 5 is 16 and 16 square is 256. C is the right answer. Let's mark C. C is the right. Okay. I hope you all got the explanation. I hope you all are getting the explanation part, right? Next question. 12th question on our screen. 12th question on our screen from the statement and conclusion syllogism. Let's see what should be the right answer. All Sprite is due. All Sprite is due. Some Sprite is slice. Some Sprite is slice. No slice is Coke. No slice is Coke, like this. Conclusion number 1. Some dew is slice. Some dew is slice, true. Some Sprite is not Coke. Some Sprite is not Coke. Which part of Sprite is not Coke? Which part of Sprite? The part of Sprite which is not Coke is the part, that part of Sprite which is being shared with slice. Why I am saying this? Because slice and Coke does not have any relation. So the part of this slice which is being shared with Sprite is not Coke. So this is also true. This is also true. The right answer should be both follows. Both follows. Let's mark D option. Let's mark D. Option D is the right because it turns into green. It turns into green. Very good, Priya. Very good. Good response. 13th question. 13th question on our screen. 13th question on our screen. Let's see. We are given 16, 4, 25 and 24, 8, 16. This 25 is 5 square and this 16 is 4 square. How can we get this 5? If I am dividing 16 by 4, I can get 4 and 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 and 5 square. Applying the same logic in this one, 24 divided by 8, we will get 3. 3 plus 1 equals to 4 and 4 square is 16, right? So let's see which logic will be, this logic will be applied in which of the following option. 7 divided by 7, we will get 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9 square, 81. So option A is cancelled. This will become 3. 3 plus 1, not 35. This will become 9, not. This will become 16 divided by 32, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square is 9. Option number D. Option number D should be the right answer. D should be the right answer. Okay. D is the right answer. Let's move on to the next one. 14th. 14th question on our screen. 14th question on our screen. Very good, Ramakrishna and Priya. Very good. 14th question is from the series M to L. M to L minus 1. L to K minus 1. K to J minus 1. Then J minus 1 should be I. Answer should start with I. That is B and D can be the right answer. N to L. N to N. N to N. N to N. Same is repeated. So here N should come IN. IN means option number C. Let's mark the C option. Let's mark C option. C is the right. Next. 15th. 15th question on our screen. How can we solve this one? How can we solve this one? 174 is related to 261. Let's take the difference between 261 and 174 because we cannot see. We can say one thing, 1 plus 1, 2, 7 minus 1, but 4 and 1 not following any logic. Similarly, 36 and 54 not following the same logic, right? So let's see another one. Difference is 11 minus 4, 7. 25 minus 17, 8. 87 is the difference. 87 is the difference, right? How and what is the difference? What is the difference between 36 and 54? 18. 18 is the difference. So I can say that this 261 is divided by 3. I can get 87. Okay. And 261 minus 261 minus 87. 261 minus 87 we can get 174. Okay. Similarly, 54 divided by 3 we can get 18, and this 18 will be subtracted from 54, then we can get 36. So which of the following numbers is related to 63? Which of the following number, which number, dash number is related to 63? Okay, so what can we do? 63 divided by 3 will be equal to 21, right? And 21 minus 63 will be equal to 42. So 42 should be the right answer. Option number B. Option number B, 42. Very good, Priya. Very good. Ramakrishna. Manish and Nithapriya. Very good. 42 should be the right answer. Yes, green, it turns into green. 16th question. 16th question on our screen from the coding decoding. Good morning friends is written as like this. Friends are good is written as like this. How will morning be coded? We need to code morning. So morning is repeated here, morning is not repeated here, but we can see good and friends are repeated, good and friends are repeated. So we can get the answer of morning, right? So in these three codes and in these three codes, which are the two common codes of good friends, because if we can find the good friends code, we can get the code of morning. So DF, GH, HD. DF and HD are the common. So DF and HD are the codes of morning and good and friends. The code for morning will be GH. So the right answer should be GH. That is option number B. Option number B. Option number B, GH. Option number B, GH should be the right answer. Let's mark this one. Let's mark GH. Yes, it turns into green. It means we have marked right. Let's move on to the next 17th question. 17th question on our screen from the mathematical operation. Multiply and plus should be interchange. Multiply and plus like this, and minus and divider interchange. Minus and divider interchange like this. Okay, I can say this 133 will be dividing 532 4 times, because 100 into 4, 400, 33 into 4, 132. So 400 plus 132, 532. Multiply 95 into 14, 14 into 5, 70, 0, 7 carry, 14, 9, 126, 126 plus 7, 133. Okay, 1330 minus 4 plus 10. So it will become 1330 plus 10, 1340 minus 4, 1336. Option number C. Let's mark option C. Option C is the right. Next question, 18. 18th question on our screen. Let's see. This is from the mathematical operation again. This is from the mathematical operation again. Right? Let's see. So first of all, board mass, according to the board mass, division should be solved. Plus means division. Plus means division. This part will become division and it will become 8. Now multiplication. Minus means multiplication. So this will become multiplication. This will become multiplication. 6 to 12, 1 carry over here, 6 4 24 and 1 25, 5, 2 carry over here, 6 1 6 and 2 8, 852. Now multiply means plus. So this will become plus 87 plus 852, and this divide will turn minus. So 8 minus 87 plus 852. 852 plus 8, 860, and 860 minus 87 will be 773, which is option number A. Which is option number A. Which is option number A. Let's mark option A. 773 is the right answer. Next, 19th. 19th question is again from the syllogism. All smart is clever. All smart clever. No clever rude. Some rude is foul. Like this. Conclusion. No smart is rude. No smart is rude. If the element is restricted from the outer one, so it will be restricted from the inner one. So first one is true, that no smart is rude. I have already explained this thing on our YouTube shorts. Some foul being clever is a possibility. Some foul being clever. Yes, some foul can be clever. Not all foul, because all foul, if all foul comes into clever, then R will come. but some foul can come, right? So some foul is also true. Some smart is rude. We cannot see any relation of smart and rude, so this is wrong. Answer is 1 and 2 follow. 1 and 2 follow means which option? Which option? Let's see. 1 and 2 means option number D. Yes, D is the right because it turns into green. Okay. Next question. Let's move on to the next one. 20th question. We need to fill this series. We need to complete this series in order to get the right answer. 6 to 13. 6, 13, 24, 51, 98, 201 and question mark. 6 to 13 multiply 2 plus 1. 13 to 24 multiply 2 minus 2. 24 to 51 multiply 2 plus 3. We can see it has been done multiplication and consecutive numbers addition subtraction. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Now minus 4 should be there. Multiply 2, it will become 102. 102 minus 4, 98. Now it will become multiply 2 plus 5. 98 into 2 will become what? 196. 196 plus 5, 201. And now again multiply 2 minus 6. So 402 minus 6 will become 396. 396, right? Very good, Manish. 396 is the right answer, my dear friend. So option A should be the right answer. Option A is the right. Move on to the next question, that is 21st. 21st question on our screen. We need to count the number of triangles. We need to count the number of triangle in this figure. Let's count the number of triangle. See, this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. Two triangle in this figure. Similarly, one triangle and one triangle. So two triangle over here. Similarly, one triangle and one triangle over here. 2, 2 to 4 and 2, 6. 6 triangle like this. Then one triangle this, one triangle this, one triangle this, and one is the bigger triangle, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. And one more triangle is there. If you see this thing like this, this is one more triangle. So 10 plus 1 will be 11. Do we have another triangle? No. 10 plus 1, 11. Do we have another triangle? But we are not having option number 11. 1 and 1, 2. 2 triangle here 4 and 2 triangle here 6. 1 is the bigger triangle 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 1 is this bigger triangle as well. One bigger triangle as well. 11 plus 1, 12. We should have 12 triangle. 12 triangle only. Option B. Option number B is the right answer. Option number B is the right. Priya, how 16 will come? How 16 will come, my dear friend? Please analyze it carefully. 16 are not there, only 12 are there. Okay. Next, 22. We need to complete this series. Let's count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can do some things that we can make 5 pair of 4 elements. Or we can make 4 pair of 5 elements. Right? Let's make 5 pair. Let's make 5 pair of 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. If we see carefully, this is starting with T, T, T. Let's start with T and this is already starting with T. Third element V, V. Third element V. So fix V and fix V. T, U, V, B. T, U, V, T, U, V, T, U, V, T, U, V. And if you see last one, E, here should be D, here is C, B, A. So it has become TUVA, TUVV, TUVC, TUVD and TUVE, right? Right answer should be UAV, UV, UAV, UV, UAV, UV, TDU, TDU. Option number B. Option number B. Option number B is the right. Okay, let's mark B as well. B is the right answer. Next, 23. 23 question is of the inequality. 23 question is of the inequality. Let's see the right answer for this one. W greater U, W greater U, W to U, all symbols facing towards W. First priority symbol is asking. First is given over here. First one is the right. Z greater P, Z to P, all the symbols are facing towards Z. This one, this one, this one. We are asked first priority symbol. First priority is given over here. This is also true. The right answer should be both follows. Both follows. Option D. Option D is the right one. Okay. Next, 24th. 24th question is this one. What we have to do in this one? In the following two squares shown below overlap, then if the following two squares shown below overlap, if these two overlap, then which of the following option is formed? Which one will be formed if these two overlap? If these two overlap, then which one will be formed? Which one will be formed? Let me know the right answer from your side. Manish, Ramkrishna, Nityapriya. Which one will be formed if these two overlap? Let's see. If we are overlapping this one, then this dark circle will come over here, shaded portion. Okay. So in option A, shaded is given. In this option, this line is missing. So option B is cancelled. In option number 3, this shaded portion is wrong because this will overlap, so shaded portion will come. So 1 and 4 can be the right answer. Now let's see. If these two are overlapping, so this circle and this circle should overlap, and this shaded portion will be filled. This shaded portion will be filled half, but here no shaded portion is given. Okay. Similarly, if these two circles overlap, then one of the shaded portion will come, and here unshaded portion is given. So 1 is wrong. 4 should be the right answer. 4 should be the right answer. 4 should be the right answer. Similarly, one more thing we can eliminate, that this circle and this circle are unshaded, and this is the shaded one. That's why we are eliminating 1 as well. So 4 should be the right answer. Fourth image should be the right one. D. Yes, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Very good, Manish. Very good. Next. 25th question on our screen. What should be the right answer for this one? 25th question on our screen. What should be the right answer for this one? This percentage sign will be related to ESV. Similarly, GO will be related to this one. Let's see the option. In place of percentage, if we put DMT will be related to ESV. How? D to E plus 1, M to S plus 6, T to V plus 2. Let's use the same logic in GAO. GAO will be related to FGP. G to F plus 1, A to G plus 6, and O to P plus 1, but we need it plus 2. So option 1 is cancelled. CQT, C to E, this C to E plus 2, right? Then Q to S again plus 2, and T to V again plus 2. Then let's compare this GAO. G to I plus 2, A to K not plus 2, cancel. C to E plus 2, P to S plus 3, plus 2 plus 3, because P16, S19, R18, V22 plus 4. Similarly, G7, I9 plus 2, A1, D4 plus 3, O15, S19 plus 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, which means option number C. Option number C is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Let's mark C option. C is the right answer. Okay. Now 5 questions are remaining, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That will be explained to you in the next class on Monday, Tuesday. Today is what? Tuesday, Wednesday, on Thursday. Those 5 questions which are remaining will be given to you. The solution of those 5 questions will be given to you on Thursday class at 4 p.m. Right? That's it for today from my side. I hope you all liked the solution of the questions. In some questions I was stuck because of the I don't know why, right? Thank you everyone. That's it for today from my side. Keep learning, and if you are new on this channel, then do subscribe the channel. Thank you.